Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Students, today I am uploading video number 21. In this video number 21, we discuss about chapter 7 of History, Freedom Movement. Let us discuss MCQ question of this chapter. Vernacular Press Act was implemented to curb A. The independence of the independent press, corruption of East India Company, involvement of Indians in the British administration, activities of revolutionary leaders. Yes, children, you are correct. To curb the independence of independent press, Vernacular Press Act introduced in India. Vernacular Press Act was implemented by A. AOU, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Lytton, D. Lord Curzon. Yes, children, you are correct. Answer is C. C. Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton introduced Vernacular Press Act to curb the Indian newspapers because Indian newspapers were writing anti-British articles. To curb that, they introduced Vernacular Press Act. The Indian National Congress was founded in the year A. 1885, B. 1895, C. 1905, it's D. 1910. Yes, children, the correct answer is 1885. Indian National Congress was founded to fight against the British. The founder of Indian National Congress is A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. AOU, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Yes, children, the correct answer is AOU, British retired civil servant officer, visited different part of the India and met youths, educated youths. With the help of them, he founded Indian National Congress in 1885. The first president of Indian National Congress was A. AOU, B. W.C. Banerjee, C. M.G. Ranade, D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. W.C. Banerjee. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. So he presided first session of Indian National Congress meeting. So he was the first president of Indian National Congress. The leader of moderates is A. Bhagat Singh, B. Bipin Chandrapal, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. So Bhagat Singh is revolutionary. Bipin Chandrapal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak are radicals. So Gopalakrishna Gokhale is the moderate leader. The drain theory was forwarded by A. M.G. Ranade, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Yes, children, you are correct. Dadabhai Naoroji explained drain theory. He wrote a book called The Role of British in Indian Poverty. In that books, he explained how Indian wealth drained to England. The period between C 1885 and 1905 is called as the A. Age of Moderates, B. Era of Gandhi, C. Age of Radicals, D. Period of Revolutionaries. Yes, children, you are correct. It is called Age of Moderates because first 20 years of Indian National Congress. So moderate leaders were very active. Therefore, that period is called Age of Moderates and even era of liberal nationalism also. Radicals call the moderates as A. Political scholars, B. Political beggars, C. Political experts, D. Political prisoners. Yes, children, the correct answer is political beggars because they were very soft towards the British. Their soft nature made the revolutionaries, radicals called them as a political bakers. Non-member of radical group is A. Arvind Ghosh, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. V.D. Savarkar. It means the one who does not belong to radicals. Yes, children, the correct answer is V.D. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar is revolutionary. It does not belong to radicals. The viceroy who implemented the Bengal division was A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Dalhousie, C. Lord Curzon, D. Robert Clive. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Lord Curzon. So he partitioned Bengal as a East Bengal and West Bengal in 1905. Swaraj is my birthright was declared by A. Bhagat Singh, B. Chandrasekhar Azad, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Surendranath Banerjee. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak wrote A. Gita Rahasya, B. Satyartha Prakasha, C. Gulamagiri, D. My experiment with truth. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Gita Rahasya. When he was arrested for his anti-British articles, so he was in jail. In jail only, he wrote this book, Gita Rahasya. Maratha newspaper was published by Jawaharlal Nehru, Ras Bihari Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, V.D. Savarkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak wrote, started newspapers. One among them is Maratha newspaper. Kesari newspaper was published by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Ras Bihari Bose, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. V.D. Savarkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So to create awareness among the people, Bal Gangadhar Tilak started two newspapers. One is Kesari and Maratha. Kesari was in Marathi language, whereas Maratha in English language. The meaning of drain theory, as explained by Dadabhai Naoroji, is encouraging imports, ill effects of British rule in India, transfer of Indian wealth to England, reduction of military expenses. Yes, children, the correct answer is transfer of Indian wealth to England. Abhinava Bharati organization belonged to A. Moderates, B. Radicals, C. Extremist, D. Revolutionaries. Yes, children, the correct answer is revolutionaries. So Abhinava Bharata or Abhinava Bharati, an organization established by revolutionaries in India. A revolutionary leader is Surendranath Banerjee, Lala Lajpat Rai, Arvind Ghosh, Dadabhai Naoroji. Yes, children, Arvind Ghosh. So Arvind Ghosh, initially he was in radical groups. Later he shifted to revolutionary group. So Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, moderates, and even Lala Lajpat Rai belong to radicals. A secret organization named Lotus and Dagger was founded in A. England, B. USA, C. India, it's D. France. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. England. Some of the revolutionaries, so who settled down in London, they founded Lotus and Dagger Revolutionary Organization to help the Indian revolutionaries. Revolutionary organization called Ghadar was established in England, USA, India, France. Yes, children, the correct answer is USA. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. And previous videos, if you have missed, you can watch them clicking on the link The links are provided in the description box. So today I have uploaded first video of the part 2 social science. Thank you.